A journey through festivals, celebrating the world's wonders. Have you ever wondered how people celebrate around the world? Join Mia and Max as they travel to exciting festivals, from flying lanterns in Thailand to colorful Holi in India. Discover new traditions, meet new friends, and experience the magic of celebrations. Mia and Max found a magic book that could take them anywhere. Let's explore the world's most amazing festivals, Mia said. First, they arrived in India during Holi, the festival of colors. People laughed and threw bright powders in the air. Next, they flew to China for the Lantern Festival at night. Beautiful lanterns floated up, lighting the dark sky. In Brazil, they danced at Carnival with music and costumes. Drums played loudly as people cheered in the streets. In Japan, they joined Tanabata, the Star Festival. They wrote wishes on paper and hung them on bamboo trees. At La Tomatina in Spain, they saw a giant tomato fight. People tossed tomatoes and laughed in the sunny streets. In Mexico, they visited Dia de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead. Families made altars with candles and colorful flowers. In Thailand, they watched the Loi Krathong festival. People sent floating lanterns down the river for good luck. In Scotland, they saw the Viking fire festival, up Helly Aa. People in Viking costumes carried torches and set boats on fire. In New Orleans, they danced at Mardi Gras with beads and masks. Parades filled the streets with joy and music. Mia and Max smiled as they returned home. The world is full of amazing celebrations, Max said. Their magic book glowed with new stories inside. Where will we go next? Mia wondered with excitement. Festival, a special time of celebration. Tradition, something people do the same way for a long time. Parade, a fun event where people march with music and costumes. Lantern, a light inside a paper or metal frame. Fireworks, bright explosions in the sky used in celebrations. What festival in India is known as the Festival of Colors? Holi. Which festival has floating lanterns in Thailand? Loi Krathong. Where do people wear masks and beads for Mardi Gras? New Orleans, USA. Which festival includes writing wishes on paper in Japan? Tanabata. What do people throw at La Tomatina in Spain? Tomatoes. Thanks for watching. For more stories, scan our QR code.